This is the kitchen area of the new place that Cecil and I fixed up. This is a new room because we made this wall. New hardwood floors. It's flat now. Had to put floor joists in. New linoleum laid by us. New bathroom. Fixtures, floor, lighting. New appliances. Refinished hardwood. New doors. Painted. Kept the original windows. Awesome windows. This is the overlooking the famous bridge crossing 42 South in Bridgewater, directly across from Bridgewater Park. And there you have it. Remodeled bottom of the house in Bridgewater.